Hi, my name is Luis Burwell, and today I'll be presenting my open source contribution project. I chose to work here in Streamlit. Streamlit is a popular open source framework for building data applications in Python. Reason why I chose this has over 3,500 stars on GitHub. It's been active for a long time. It's maintained hundreds of contributors on a daily basis, and it makes an excellent choice for the open source contribution project. The issue that I decided to tackle is the exception message that should be one click to copy. Basically, when a developer is on developing here or contributing to the project, they'll get an error code, and instead of highlighting the error and just copying it to their clipboard, they'll be able to just click on the clipboard button and just copy it. That just makes things a little bit easier and faster for them, and makes things a lot more smoother. So here, I'm gonna show you guys. I worked this on PyCharm. I used a JavaScript and Python code to do my contribution. I have my code here uh, commented out, and I have the code that's originally inside the GitHub and all the project. And I want to demonstrate the before and after. So this right here is the issue that the developers were having before. So it's gonna pop up here. So as you can see, this is the clipboard. Sorry, the this will generate the the error code, and here is the clipboard. And when I click it and I go to my clipboard, it doesn't pop up. No matter how many times I click it, it doesn't pop up. So to fix this error, I am going to demonstrate the before and after. I'm going to comment out the previous developers just so I can show you what I did here. All right. So this is my code, and I'm going to run the code here in the terminal. And now you're going to see that when it pops up, I generate the exception. Here's the code. I click on the clipboard, and it pops up now right here. So I'm going to walk you through exactly what I did. Here's the test code that I used to kind of make a copy of what it had, of the clipboard. I go into the exception element file here, and basically what I did was I added a few new functions to work with the copy button. So here's my kind of the first area I started working on with the copy button, and copy. I generated the button first, and with the button I linked it with the copy to clipboard here. And I use two methods here. I use one for the modern clipboard API, so this is to make it modernized, and just in case, if someone is working on a kind of an older model, they'll be able to use it. It'll fall back to this one right here. And then as I go down here, I have a few different functions here to kind of make sure everything is handled correctly and that everything is good to go. And then here's the design of the button that I created here. Uh, and yes, that's basically my project. I worked on it. It took about a few hours, and everything looks pretty good. Thank you so much.